Streaming. I know. The wave breaks.
Wow, they killed our TZ, my two offlaners.
Apple double.
So proud of you
I can TP
guys.
mid.
You killed one of the best carries in the world.
Running water.
Maybe you can go mid right now. He's getting fucked. I'm tiny. Probably get a kill.
Yes. Tsunami. Streaming. A fine solution.
I mean, that was kind of sexo.
Running water. I'm under attack. Yes. Deep water still run. Running in.
I keep thinking there's a big camp, but there's just no big camp.
Ah, yes. Attack. Oh. I go.
Nice.
Standing water.
I have to give my team a little bit of positive mental reinforcement.
Wave of mutilation.
Well played sometimes can go a long way. Not when they die, but
After them.
you know, when they're useful.
Swell. The muon pulls me. Pour it on.
Look how small I am. I don't know why they did that change. The more agility you have now, the smaller you are. What's the point of doing that? Like, what's the point of that change? I don't know what they were thinking. If anything. Buy some wards, please. Get some wards for top. They are free.